I present to you 2017 Mercedes-Benz GLE 350. As you dey drive am, e go dey bounce, na foreign use. GLE 350 foreign use. This is the rear view with a strong V6 engine and a durable battery. And this is the outstanding interior of this car. You can see how unique it is. This is the side view of the passenger side with an AC vent here. The back seat they clean like say na brand new. If you need any, you can call us on 080-331-28914. This car is an automatic drive with buttons on the steering. There's a thumb start. The AC of this car is chilling with a reverse camera and a sunroof. If you are interested in this car, do well to call the dealer for more inquiries and negotiation. Lovers of RX 350, this one is black in, black out. 2016 model, and it is a foreign use with parking assistant sensors. This is the amazing rear view of this car. A strong engine with a durable battery, buy and drive. And this is the lovely, beautiful interior of this car. You can see the side view of the passenger side with an AC vent here, a clean back seat. This car is an automatic drive with buttons on the steering, advanced features with a thumb start. The AC is chilling and a sunroof here. This car is very cheap, it's not expensive. If you like it, contact Murad Autos right now for further inquiries and negotiation. Highlander lovers, I present to you 2021 model. Look at the face of this Highlander. I just did like saying a shark. Very unique and special. This is the rear view of this Highlander XSE all-wheel drive. It is a foreign use car. A strong V6 engine with a durable battery over here. Buy and drive, nothing to fix. And this is the amazing interior of this car. This is the side view of the passenger side. Very clean back seats with enough space, you can see, and a third row seat over there. This foreign use they like brand new. Buttons on the steering, is a thumb start and automatic drive. The AC of this car is chilling with a reverse camera and a sunroof. Contact the dealer for more inquiries and negotiation. This car is very cheap.
Here with me is a direct 2018 Toyota Highlander. Very clean. You can see it has an amazing future. This is the face of it. Look at the lovely side views. This is the rear view of this car. It's very clean. You can see Highlander body routine, and take a look at the side view from the back. It comes with amazing alloy rim. It has a V6 engine and a strong battery. This is the XLE fullest option of this car. This is a lovely leather seat interior. It is brown, ventilated seat. Take a look at the beautiful interior of this car. And this is the passenger side view. And Highlander is a very spacious car. Look at it. It has enough legroom space for your comfort. AC controller, AC vents on the roof. It also has a third row seat. This is the back seat view, very clean and comfortable. And that's the dashboard. Good sound system, factory fitted AC, automatic drive, thumb start, control buttons on the steering. This car is the fullest option, XLE, and with a sunroof. And this Toyota Highlander is going for a cheap price. All you need to do is to call the phone number of the dealer for inquiries and negotiations. Here with me is another 2018 Toyota Highlander, very clean. This is the fullest option. You can see it has a beautiful alloy dream. This is a car you want to get. This car just arrived. This is the lovely rear view of this car. It is an XLE fullest option. Take a look at the alloy dream. You can see with the amazing side view this car is given. This car has a V6 engine with a strong battery that will last you. Everything is working perfectly well. You got nothing to worry about. This is a lovely interior. It comes with a black leather interior and a black exterior. All the aesthetics are working very well. It has an amazing future you will love to get. This is the passenger side view, which is the back seat view, very clean. And it also has AC controller right here, an AC vent on the room. Take a look at how spacious this car is. With a third row seat, so comfortable and clean. And this is the dashboard. You can see factory fitted AC, reverse camera, automatic transmission, thumb start, control buttons on the steering, and this also has a sunroof. And this 2018 Toyota Highlander, very clean, black color, black in, black out, is going for a cheap price. Hurry now and get this car. Call the phone number of Murad Autos now for inquiries and negotiation. This is a 2015 Toyota Highlander. Whoa, this is a very clean car, you can see it, and it is one of the cheapest you can get. It has an alloyed rim. Take a look at the rear view. It is limited edition, very clean. Take a look at the lovely side view from the back. And this car has a V6 engine, 2GRFU with a strong battery. Everything is working perfectly well, no dent, buy and drive. This is the lovely milk leather seat interior, very clean. It is ventilated. Highlander is a spacious and a family car. All the aesthetics are working perfectly well. And here is the lovely side view from the back, very clean. Back seat view, so comfortable, and enough legroom space with AC controller and AC vents on the roof. Very clean car. Here we go. It also has a third row seat, so comfortable. And this is a dashboard. You can see milk with a black leather seat and leather dashboard too. Factory fitted AC, reverse camera, sound system. It is a thumb start automatic transmission with a sunroof. If you need this car, call Murad Autos now, or you can chat him on WhatsApp for inquiries and negotiations. Here with me is a direct 2014 Mercedes-Benz ML350, a very clean and luxury Mercedes. Take a look at the lovely side view and the alloyed rim. This is the rear view of this car. You can see ML boldly written, very clean. It is formatic. Take a look at the lovely back side view of it. This is the amazing interior of this car, very clean leather seats. This car has dynamic features you will want to drive. Take a look at the controls on the dashboard. You can see everything is working perfectly well. And this is the back seat view, so clean and spacious. You can see AC vents down here, enough legroom space for your comfort. And take a look at the dashboard of this car. Factory fitted AC. It is a thumb start, control buttons at the steering, automatic drive. Wow, this is ML, not Benzo. It also has a sunroof. How many of you love Mercedes? Hurry now and come and get this Mercedes-Benz ML350 2014 model. Call the phone number of the dealer for inquiries and negotiations. Here with me is a direct 2017 Toyota Highlander, very clean. Take a look at the side view. This Highlander has an amazing future. It is a new arrival. And this is the lovely rear view of this car with the side view, very clean. Take a look at the alloyed rim. This car is buy and drive, nothing to fix. This is the engine of this car. It has a V6 engine with a strong battery. This is like a brand new engine. Take a look at how clean it is. This is the lovely interior of this car, very clean. It has a milk leather seat mixed with black. Take a look at the clean dashboard. All the controls are working perfectly well with an amazing feature. This is the passenger side view, and it has a beautiful, comfortable seat with AC controller and AC vents on the roof. Very clean and neat. With a third row seat. Take a look at the dashboard. Factory fitted AC, thumb start, automatic transmission, controls on the steering with a sunroof. This car has an amazing feature. Just come and get it for yourself. Call the phone number of Murad Autos now for inquiries and negotiations. Here with me is a direct 2016 Toyota Highlander, very clean. Take a look at the lovely side view. It's a limited edition. Don't forget, it is 2016 model. This is the lovely rear view of this car, Toyota Highlander, with amazing side view, and the alloy rim you can see for yourself very well. It has a V6 engine, 2GRFE with a strong battery. Everything is intact, buy and drive. Take a look at the lovely interior of this car. It is a milk leather seat mixed with black, ventilated seats, very spacious and clean. All the controls are working perfectly well. And this is a lovely side view of this car from the back. So comfortable, enough legroom space with AC controller and AC vents. It also has a beautiful third row seat. And take a look at the dashboard. Factory fitted AC, automatic transmission. It is a thumb start vehicle, and this car has a sunroof. This Toyota Highlander is a limited edition. Call the phone number of Murad Autos now for inquiries and negotiations. This is a 2013 foreign used Toyota 4Runner. Very, very clean car. Take a look at the face and the beautiful side view with an alloyed rim. This car also comes with an amazing feature. This is the rear view of this car, very clean. It is a limited edition with a reverse camera, very clean and comfortable. It has a V6 engine, strong battery that will last you. Take a look at the black leather, amazing interior of this car, very luxury with amazing features, and everything is working perfectly well. This is the back seat view, very clean and comfortable with back AC vent right there, enough legroom space for your comfort. And this car also comes with a third row seat, so clean and neat. Take a look at the dashboard, all the amazing feature, automatic drive, factory fitted AC, reverse camera. It is also a thumb start vehicle, and the controls are working perfectly well with a sunroof. And this car you see right here is going for a cheap price. Hurry now. Call Murad Autos now for inquiries and negotiation.
My name is Mr. Boniface. You are welcome to Murad Autos, the home of American used cars. If you need any, you can call us on 080 331 28914. 080 331 28914. And our office is located at number 10 Rumola Link Road, Port Harcourt, Rivers State, Nigeria.